Have you ever stopped to think about how your physical wallet compares to your Bitcoin wallet? Discover the relationship between these two worlds. Why is the concept of a private key so important for digital wallets? In this video, you will see that this technology is leaving credit cards in the past, and you will have to control your money or the government will control you. So subscribe to the Financial Revolution channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the main news about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Just as a physical wallet stores your money in paper or coins, the Bitcoin wallet is the digital way of storing your assets on the network. But there is a fundamental difference. While a regular wallet can be lost or stolen, the security of your Bitcoins depends on the protection of a private key. This key is unique and essential to access your funds. When you make a payment with Bitcoin, you do not need intermediaries, such as banks or payment processors. The transaction occurs directly between you and the recipient, allowing you to control your assets autonomously. This not only represents a new era of financial freedom, but also a way to escape the abusive fees and bureaucracy of traditional payment methods. Understanding how a Bitcoin wallet works is essential to making the most of this revolution. You are not just a user, you are the owner of your money, and that changes everything. Just imagine having a wallet that weighs nothing in your pocket but can store a fortune. This is a revolution you cannot ignore. In a world where every ounce counts, a Bitcoin wallet stands out as a lightweight and powerful solution. Without coins or notes, you can carry your wealth in virtual form. But this lightness comes with impressive robustness. Blockchain technology ensures that your transactions are recorded in a secure and immutable way, protecting your fortune from fraud and manipulation. And best of all, unlike a physical wallet which can easily be forgotten or lost, your Bitcoin wallet can be accessed from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have the right key. This means that your wealth is not limited to physical space or the security of a safe. You have the freedom to move your assets as you wish, without barriers. The Bitcoin wallet is not just an innovation. It represents the freedom to redefine what it means to own money in the digital age. It is the opportunity to escape the constraints of the traditional financial system and embrace a future where you are the true owner of your assets. And in the digital age, security is everything. How is your private key in a Bitcoin wallet the only thing standing between you and your digital assets? So the security of your assets depends on more than just a code or password. It rests on your private key. This key is the only gateway to your Bitcoin wallet, and protecting it is crucial. While you can use passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your accounts, the private key is a unique and personal asset that cannot be recovered or reset if lost. Think of it as a combination locker, where every Bitcoin you own is stored in a virtual vault, accessible only by you. If someone gains access to your private key, they can withdraw your assets instantly, without leaving a trace. Therefore, protecting your key should be a top priority. Securing your Bitcoin wallet is not just about the measures you take, but also about knowing that ultimately, you are the only one responsible for your finances. This brings a new dimension of empowerment, where you decide how to protect your wealth and investments. The knowledge and practice of keeping your private key safe is essential to navigate this new digital frontier with confidence. With this in mind, credit cards may soon be left behind. There is no denying that the rise of Bitcoin wallets represents a radical change in the way we conduct financial transactions. Unlike credit cards, which involve intermediaries, hidden fees, and processing times, Bitcoin wallets allow instant transactions directly between the parties involved. Imagine being able to send money to someone on the other side of the world in a matter of minutes, without worrying about exorbitant fees or currency conversion rates. In addition, the decentralized nature of Bitcoin means that you are not tied to a traditional banking system. You have the freedom to manage your assets without having to rely on the approval of financial institutions. This not only empowers users, but also offers a more accessible alternative for those who do not have access to traditional banking services. Bitcoin wallets also promote privacy in transactions, as they do not require you to provide detailed personal information. unlike credit cards, which are often linked to sensitive data. This provides an extra layer of security and control over your financial identity. In this new landscape, Bitcoin wallets are quickly becoming the preferred choice for those seeking efficiency, privacy, and autonomy in their financial transactions. By adopting this technology, you are not just making a purchase, you are joining a revolution that could redefine the future of money. Let's now understand how blockchain technology redefines the concept of financial security. Blockchain technology, the foundation of Bitcoin, consists of a network of computers that work together to validate and record all transactions in a transparent and immutable way. This means that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered, offering a level of security that traditional systems simply cannot match. In addition, each transaction on the blockchain is protected by complex cryptographic algorithms. This makes it extremely difficult for an attacker to manipulate or steal your funds. Unlike a financial institution that can be vulnerable to cyber attacks, the decentralization of the blockchain eliminates a single point of failure, which makes the system much more robust. Another fascinating aspect is the possibility of using multi-signature, where multiple private keys are required to authorize a transaction. This adds an extra layer of security, because even if one key is compromised, your assets remain protected. This not only protects your assets, but also becomes part of a more secure and reliable financial system. But what happens if you lose your wallet key? When you use Bitcoin to make a payment, the transaction happens quickly and directly. You simply enter the amount and the recipient's key, and that's it. However, this simplicity hides a significant risk: losing your private key. Unlike a physical wallet, where you can recover your money if you forget the password to your vault, on a blockchain, your private key is the only way to access your funds. If you lose your key, there is no help desk or recovery process that can help you. Your Bitcoins remain in your wallet, inaccessible forever. This is crucial to understanding the responsibility that comes with using cryptocurrencies. The phrase "there's no bank to fall back on" has never been truer than in this context. However, there are ways to mitigate this risk. Practices such as keeping backup copies of your private key in secure locations and using multi-signature wallets can provide additional protection. By doing so, you not only ensure that your cryptocurrencies are safe, but also prepare for the unexpected. It is therefore vital to remember that with total control comes total responsibility. Careful management of your private key is essential to ensuring that your experience with Bitcoin is positive and secure. Therefore, if you want to learn more about this topic, we have an affordable and straightforward course that you can start right now by clicking on the link in the description. Why this theory that the government is the one that actually controls money and not the individual? In the traditional financial system, you often find yourself at the mercy of banking institutions, which determine how and when you can access your funds. In addition to high fees and bureaucracy, your ability to move money can be limited by decisions made by these entities. With Bitcoin wallets, this dynamic is radically changed. By adopting Bitcoin, you become your own bank. This means that you are solely responsible for managing and protecting your assets. Through your wallet, you can send, receive, and store Bitcoins without the need for intermediaries. The freedom to transact anytime, anywhere, is one of the most empowering aspects of this technology. In addition, Bitcoin wallets promote financial autonomy. You are no longer subject to interest policies, maintenance fees, or account freezes that can occur at traditional institutions. You are in control, and this creates a new mindset about money management. This new way of interacting with money not only gives the user greater freedom, but also promotes a culture of financial responsibility. At its core, the Bitcoin wallet revolution is not just about technology, but about rewriting the rules of the financial game. But do I think that digital money is just a passing fad? You are completely wrong. The growing adoption of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is not just a trend. It is a sign that we are entering a new era. Alternatives to systems have always existed, but what sets each of them apart is the ability to increasingly implement technology to outperform the competition. No matter where you are, with an internet connection, you can access and transact with cryptocurrencies at any time. This is especially relevant in countries with weak or inefficient banking systems, where many people still do not have access to bank accounts. Bitcoin wallets provide these populations with the opportunity to participate in the global economy, where they have always been excluded. In addition, the rise of fintechs and payment solutions that accept Bitcoin shows that digital money is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. From online shopping to payments in physical stores, cryptocurrencies are gaining ground and acceptance, challenging established norms. Instead of ignoring or belittling them, try to understand so you don't miss out on this financial revolution. The future is digital, and wallets are a symbol of financial liberation. The devaluation of fiat currencies and rising inflation are a reality. Our course teaches you quickly and directly how to start your first investments in digital assets. Subscribe to the Financial Revolution channel and activate the notification bell, and see you in the next video.